To live a long, energetic life, few things matter more than good posture. That's from Dr. Rene Callier, one of the pioneering physicians in physical medicine and rehab. Most people have no idea if their posture is either helping them stay strong and independent, or it's insidiously stealing their quality of life year after year. But here's what I see all the time. People try exercises, stretches to fix their posture, but they have zero idea if it's actually improving anything. So today, I'm giving you 3 simple home tests that'll show you whether your posture is getting better or worse. I'm Dr. Ryan Wohlfert, and here's something important to understand. Your posture is not just about standing up straight or looking good in photos, even though that's a nice bonus. When your spine and posture are properly aligned, that means straight up and down from front to back, and you have 3 balanced curves from the side, your entire body functions better. You're protecting your spinal cord. You're handling the everyday stress of movement like walking, bending, lifting without your body breaking down. Your muscles stay more relaxed. Everything from your energy levels to your immune system to how well you sleep gets better because your body isn't constantly fighting against itself. But as you know, we don't live in a perfect world. You've been holding kids, maybe sitting at a desk, slouched on the couch, looking down at your phone. Maybe you had a fall or a car accident or a sports injury years ago. All of these things cause misalignments in your spine and compensations in your posture, which then blocks the communication between your brain and the rest of your body, causing a dysfunctional system. So it's important for you to test your posture to, 1, get a baseline, and then also track to make sure your posture training and exercises are working. So today I'm going to go over these tests, but if you want a full posture retraining system, you can access my posture retraining mini course at no charge. You can find the link in the description. Okay, so now let's go over these 3 simple at-home tests. Number 1 is the wall test, and here's how you're going to do it. Stand with your back against a flat wall, your heels about 6 inches away from the base of the wall. Your head, your shoulder blades, and your butt should all touch the wall without you having to force it or strain. Now you can slide one hand behind your lower back. You should have enough space to slide your flat hand through, but not your whole fist. You can see it's a pretty easy test to do. You can do it every 2 to 4 weeks to track your progress. And when your head starts touching the wall more easily, that's progress that you'll be able to see and feel. So this second test actually goes with the wall test, the first one, but it makes it more objective. And that's to take measurements. You'll have someone help you with this, but it's super simple. So in that same position as the wall test, just measure the space between the back of your head and the wall. Remember, this isn't a strained position with you trying to get your head back to the wall. This is in the position that feels natural to you right now. So go ahead and write down that number as your starting point. And again, check every 2 to 4 weeks. And number 3, you can take progress photos. With this, you'll want to stand in the same spot every time, wear the same clothes, use the same lighting. Take one from the front and one from the side. Go ahead and date them and keep them all in one folder so they're nice and handy. Here's what you're looking for. From the front, you want the middle of your forehead, your chest, pelvis, and between the feet all lined up in a straight line. Now, if your posture is off and distorted, you might see one shoulder higher than the other, maybe a bigger gap between your hip and arm on one side of your body compared to the other. Maybe your head is shifted to one side. And using the side photo, look at your ankle bone. So from your ankle bone going up, you want your hip directly over your ankle. You want your shoulder over the outside of your hip, and you want your ear directly over your shoulder. Again, every 2 to 4 weeks, pull them up side by side and compare. So you see it's pretty easy to do, but I also get you might need a little extra help, a little extra guidance to make this stick. And if you want step-by-step instructions on how to assess and retrain your posture so you can keep living an active, energetic life, I put together that posture retraining mini course. Again, there's no charge for it. You can access it using the link in the description. And of course, be your own guarantee for your health and your life.